Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit videos on Adobe Express. Here's how you do it. Open up your Adobe Express application on your mobile device to get started. Get to the main homepage of Adobe Express, and once you are in it, click on the plus button at the bottom right corner. Now from the available templates and sizes, go ahead and choose video. Now, upload a video from the templates provided by Adobe Express. Simply go ahead and choose a video you want to edit, or if you want to import your own video, go ahead and close off this media tab and then click on the plus button at the bottom left from your video timeline. Now click on Upload from Device and click on Photo Library. This will now take you to your camera roll from where you can edit a video. Select the video you want to edit and click on Add at the top right corner. After doing so, you will be able to see your video on the preview screen. Now you can start editing. For Edit option, go to the bottom of the screen while selecting your video on the preview screen at the top, and then you will be able to see options like Effects, Volume, Speed, Crop, Adjust, and so on. While editing your video, you want to start by trimming. Select your video on the timeline at the bottom and make sure it is highlighted. Now, go ahead and click on the split option at the bottom, which will then clip off your video in two halves. But before that, make sure you drag the handles, which is black in color, and select the area that you want to split the video on and click on Split. Soon after you split the video, you will be able to see a little plus button in between the splitted clip. Tap on the plus button in order to add transitions. Select Add Transition Effect and then choose the transition you would like to apply to your video clip. After you do that, you will be able to divide your video into multiple clips for more precise editing, as well as adding transitions in between. Select the video on the timeline and drag their edges in order to cut down the length of your video. Select the video clip on the preview screen and go ahead and tap on the crop option and adjust the video frame size and aspect ratio by dragging the handles on each sides of your picture. You can also go ahead and choose the crop options at the bottom, select a template, and click the tick mark at the bottom right after you are done with your cropping. After you've trimmed off the area that you don't need on your video, you can then enlarge your video on the screen and preview it according to your preference. To correctly orient your video, make sure to use this rotate tool. If you want to change the playback speed of your video, that is, using slow motion or fast forward, make sure you select the clip and then click on Speed at the bottom. From the Speed timeline, go ahead and increase or decrease your speed by dragging the little circle left or right and tap in on the tick mark when done. Doing this will change the playback speed of your video. Adjust the volume of your video by clicking on the volume option at the bottom while selecting the video on the preview screen. After tapping on volume, you can then lower or increase the volume by dragging the little circle. To mute your overall volume, you can go ahead and click on the little speaker icon on the left corner. This will then mute your volume throughout your video. To enhance your video with decorative elements, you can also go ahead and add stickers and graphics. To do so, go ahead and press on your screen once and it'll bring up this blue button with a plus in it at the bottom left. Tap on it and in order to add decorative elements, go ahead and select the Elements option from the menu. From the Elements option, you can go ahead and select stickers or graphics. Choose from the provided templates and it'll be added on your project. Just make sure to explore around the tools provided at the bottom after you select a layer and make yourself familiarized with Adobe Express tools. So by using these tools, you can easily edit your video from Adobe Express. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.